Hello everyone. Today we are introducing the MKE KCL-60R Micro Low-Speed Tabletop Refrigerated Centrifuge. This machine is specifically designed for blood collection vehicles and blood collection rooms. Its lightweight, compact, elegant appearance. Adoption of high-efficiency environmental protection refrigeration system. High precision of temperature control without environmental pollution. To set the centrifuge time, simply input the desired time parameter on the left side and press OK to save. In the middle, the current rotation speed is displayed. Input the desired speed and press OK to save. Press the conversion button at the bottom. It displays the centrifugal force. Similarly, input the desired value. Press OK to save. On the right side is the temperature display. At the bottom, the first button is the start button, the middle button is for stopping, and the bottom right corner is for opening the door. For speed adjustment, use the up arrow to increase the value. Press OK to confirm. The same applies to decreasing speed. Smaller values mean faster speeds. Key features of this machine is it includes a built-in password lock function. Input the password, press OK to lock. Then screen will enter the locked state to prevent accidental operation. Next, take a look at the inside of the device and press the door open button. The centrifuge has a built-in leveling device. You can adjust the device's level status at any time. Before using the new centrifuge, remove the fillers from the inside. Place the samples symmetrically into the adapters. Close the door, and the device enters the running state.